Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about classification and evolution. Organisms are identified and classified by depending on their structure and functions. So, whatever the organisms if you are taking depends on their structure and functions. వాటి యొక్క స్ట్రక్చర్ని బట్టి అవి చేసే ఫంక్షన్ని బట్టి వాటిని మనం క్లాసిఫై చేస్తాము. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కొన్ని ఆర్గానిజమ్స్ స్ట్రక్చర్ వైజ్ సింపుల్ ఉంటాయి, యూనిసెల్యులర్ ఆర్గానిజమ్స్ అంటాము. అండ్ యూనిసెల్యులర్ ఆర్గానిజమ్స్ ఫంక్షన్ ఆల్ ద biological functions occurs by using a single cell. So like that all organisms we will include in the unicellular organisms. So whatever the structure they are having, all the unicellular organisms they are having only one cell for all the metabolic reactions. Single cellular organisms function, all the functions done by only single cell. All those type of organism will include in that unicellular organisms. For example, other organisms, other multicellular organisms or tissue level organisms if it is there, all the tissue level organisms we will include in another group. So organisms are identified and classified by depending on their structure and functions. There is a role of time in classification and evolution. See, evolution is nothing but gradual change. For example, from unicellular organisms to multicellular organisms, all the living beings they are developed. So all the unicellular organisms we classified as one group, all the multicellular organisms we classified in another group. So from unicellular organisms for the development into multicellular organisms it takes some time. Overnight the evolution or that change from one organisms to another organism it is not occur, it will take some time. So there is a role of time in classification and evolution. Characters that came into existence earlier are likely to be more basic than later. So meaning of this point, whatever the organisms characters, for example characters that came into existence earlier,